Hey guys, Chris here, OntarioLive.com. Today we're on Ottawa Street in Hamilton. We're just doing the whole food truck thing here. They got us to the food truck festival. Food trucks from all over have all gathered here on Ottawa Street to show what they got. So here we go. I'm going to take you guys on a tour of Ottawa Street and all the food trucks. And here we go. Here's a full list of all the food trucks. I guess this is a little map giving directions of where you can find all the different food trucks. So far, this guy, Hank Daddy's Barbecue, seems to be the most popular one. You should see the line there. Maybe I'll take you guys for a little peek at the line. Look who we found today, Mickey and Minnie. They made it all the way up from Florida to Hamilton. Some sort of fundraiser. I saw her blink. Yep. So up first we got here Sweetness Bakery, cupcakes and all that kind of goodies. And over here we've got, let's see if I can get to it, Gorilla Cheese. Seems to be very popular by the length of the line as well.
Take care.
Across here we've got the schnitzel truck. Let's just call it schnitzel truck. The line just starting to develop over here. And then lower down here we've got some more.
Oh, I didn't know you were down there.
Look who's here, guys. Browser, the Hamilton Bulldogs mascot, is directing traffic here. Look at it. Funny dude, man. Look at the balance. Look at the swagger on him. They got a Shriners Creek kettle popcorn truck here. Give you guys a little view of the street itself. Crowd is starting to build up slowly. Lovely day for it, nice and warm.
Yeah, there's a few of us, just give us a shout.
So this is the truck here I told you guys, it's probably the busiest around. It's Hank Daddy's Barbecue, and I guess everyone's going after that pulled pork parfait. It's pulled pork layered with mashed potatoes, pulled pork, mashed potatoes, all sort of goodness. Give you guys a peek of the line. And it goes... We're still looking at the line here for Hank Daddy's Barbecue. Oh, and look who I see. It's Marco and Taya, still in line. Did you guys move yet?
We were at them.
So we're getting beaver tails. Taya's in line here for beaver tails. She's going for the hazelnut. Oh, look, the police on the horsey is here. Look at that. Look at the size of that horsey. Look at the size and beauty of that thing. So yeah guys, we're here on Ottawa Street. You gotta come out next year if you missed it this year. It goes on and on. The entire street is blocked off. Well, not blocked off, but slower traffic. Lots of police, lots of people. Everyone's into the food trucks. Chris here, OntarioLive.com. Thanks for joining me today. Remember to click on subscribe for all the latest videos. And do leave your comments in the comment section below. Let's join back line for beaver tails. This one here is banana Nutella with a bit of icing sugar on there. Look at that. Taya's getting hers in a second. That's Nutella?
Yeah.